Healthy bro presence. How to naturally lose weight fast. Many diets, supplements, and meal replacement plans claim to ensure rapid weight loss, but lack any scientific evidence. However, there are some strategies backed by science that have an impact on weight management. These strategies include exercising, keeping track of calorie intake, intermittent fasting, and reducing the number of carbohydrates in the diet. 1. Trying intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that involves regular short-term fasts and consuming meals within a shorter time period during the day. Several studies trusted source have indicated that short-term intermittent fasting up to 26 weeks in duration is as effective for weight loss as following a daily low-calorie diet. 2. Tracking your diet and exercise. If someone wants to lose weight, they should be aware of what they eat and drink each day. One way to do this is to log these items in either a journal or an online food tracker. Research trusted source suggests that tracking diet and exercise may be helpful for weight loss because it promotes behavior changes and increases motivation. One study, trusted source, found that consistent tracking of physical activity helped with weight loss. 3. Eating mindfully. Mindful eating is a practice where people pay attention to how and where they eat food. This practice can enable people to enjoy the food they eat and may help trusted source to promote weight loss. As most people lead busy lives, they often tend to eat quickly on the run, in the car, working at their desks, and watching TV. As a result, many people are barely aware of the food they are eating. 4. Eating protein with meals. Protein can regulate appetite hormones to help people feel full. This is mostly due to a decrease in the hunger hormone ghrelin and a rise in the satiety hormones peptide YY, GLP-1, and cholecystokinin. Trusted source. Research trusted source on young adults has also demonstrated that the hormonal effects of eating a high-protein breakfast can last for several hours. 5. Cutting back on sugar and refined carbohydrates. The Western diet is increasingly high in added sugars, which has definite links to obesity. Trusted source. Even when the sugar occurs in beverages. Trusted source, rather than food. Refined grains undergo processing to remove the bran and the germ, which contain most of the grains, fiber, and nutrients. These include white rice, white bread, and regular pasta. These foods are quick to digest, and they convert to glucose rapidly. Excess glucose enters the blood and provokes the hormone insulin, which promotes fat storage in the adipose tissue. This contributes to weight gain. 6. Eating plenty of fiber. Dietary fiber describes plant-based carbohydrates that are impossible to digest in the small intestine, unlike sugar and starch. Including plenty of fiber in the diet can increase trusted source the feeling of fullness, potentially leading to weight loss. 7. Balancing gut bacteria. One emerging area of research is focusing on the role of bacteria in the gut on weight management. The human gut hosts a vast number and variety of microorganisms, including around 39 trillion bacteria. Trusted source. Every individual has different types and amounts of bacteria in their gut. Some types may increase the amount of energy the person extracts from food, leading to fat deposition and weight gain. 8. Getting a good night's sleep. Numerous studies have shown that getting fewer than 56 hours of sleep per night is associated with an increased incidence of obesity. Trusted source. There are several reasons behind this. Research suggests trusted source that insufficient or poor quality sleep slows down the process in which the body converts calories to energy, called metabolism. When metabolism is less effective, the body may store unused energy as fat. In addition, poor sleep can promote insulin resistance and increase levels of cortisol, which also promote fat storage. 9. Managing your stress levels. Stress triggers the release of hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol, which initially decrease the appetite as part of the body's fight or flight response. However, When people are under constant stress, cortisol can remain in the bloodstream for longer, which will increase their appetite, trusted source, and potentially lead to them eating more. Cortisol signals the need to replenish the body's nutritional stores from the preferred source of fuel, carbohydrate. Insulin then transports the sugar from carbohydrates from the blood to the muscles and brain. If the individual does not use this sugar in fight or flight, the body will store it as fat. Insulin allows sugar from the blood to enter the body cells, where it can provide energy. If an individual does not immediately use this sugar, the body will either trusted source store it. Is glycogen the storage form of glucose or fat? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.